The stage is set for the second of 3 debates organized by the Jamaica Debates Commission. And following mounting concerns, a sign language interpreter will be present. Deidre Thomas has been tracking this story and now reports.
When Jamaicans tune into the remaining debates, a sign language interpreter will be present. This puts an end to the raging debate after the omission in the first debate. No doubt the deaf community is relieved after their advocacy over the past few days. But the issue highlights an even deeper problem, the lack of sign language interpreters in the country. Mrs. Kimberly Marriott Blake is Executive Director of the Jamaica Association for the Deaf.
Right now, we have one interpreter who has the experience and the willingness and the years of engagement in a political space that could seamlessly manage a political conversation. The other interpreters who have experience interpreting, but maybe not in a political environment, while they can manage the work, it would require some training and engagement, readiness to the point where they would feel comfortable in it.
There is also a concern about inclusion.
Where we still have a challenge, I'll admit, is our media partners. It is not for a lack of trying on our part. We recognize that there have been a sense, if you will, of closed captioning can solve the problem. Unfortunately, that's not a reality. When you take into consideration the broader challenge of literacy in our country and the reality that many individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing have not been given the right access to education, putting text on the screen does not solve the issue of not being able to engage with content or to understand what's happening.
Currently, sign language interpreters are mostly used during parliamentary sittings and recently some political events.
So not having interpreters on the news and general TV information, just events that happen across the island, activities that are happening, it does impact the way that the community is able to get information. And unfortunately, it can result in very negative outcomes.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.